for the official numbers from today's event. A Christmas party today for siblings separated by the foster care system. The Child Focus event was held at the Springs Preserve. Children who will be separated for the holidays got to team up with their siblings and decorate trees, have a family dinner together, and exchange gifts. More than 130 kids got to reunite with their loved ones, and they say this event is very special.
It means the world. I mean, without my sister, I'm no one. I mean, it may not seem it sometimes, but I love her more than anything in the world.
It's very difficult getting all these siblings together on a regular basis. So we try and bring them together to help them, learn to form lasting relationships, to really get a sibling bond so they have a network and a foundation to grow as individuals.
The Walmart Foundation donated $120,000 to Child Focus today. That money will help bring the kids together more often and go toward teaching them independent living skills as well.